back and we are ice fishing at Half Moon Lake. Are you coming?
We enjoyed Connor's family and my mom's-in-law birds last week. They have other types of birds in Virginia. We thought and enjoyed the t-shirt weather you guys have in Virginia. Thank you very much for all your messages on Facebook and Instagram. But we're back! And last weekend, Wyoming received us properly. We waited till noon. It was windy last weekend. We only had a few hours without wind on Sunday. We took advantage of them. We went to Half Moon Lake to do some ice fishing, and we brought the shanty. We knew it would be windy. We went to a different part of the lake to switch it up this time. We love our shanty. It's so nice to have shelter from the elements on the ice. Connor can set it up in 10 minutes. We keep it simple. Foam squares for the ice, 2 stools, a little table, a burner, and a Mr. Body heater. We brought Rhonda with us. She loves to be outside. She grew a lot in the week we were in Virginia. We miss our children. Connor was worried that Rhonda wouldn't remember us. Luckily, she did. Connor didn't drill as many holes this time. We enjoyed the weather for a few hours. It was without a breeze and warm for us. We were at 28 Fahrenheit. Every time he can, he likes to leave a reel just chilling. Rhonda follows Connor everywhere. Half Moon Lake has the perfect alpine scenery. It was so wonderful to see it from a new perspective. Knowing that we were on top of a frozen lake was reason enough to have my adrenaline going the whole time.
Hey guys, next to me there's a trunk and on it there's a hole and it's got beautiful texture. So I am aiming to the hole. Let's see if something comes out from there. I don't know. I came close and I saw it and I saw a squirrel. I don't think the squirrel lives there. But let's see, right? Just be patient and wait, I guess. Rhonda's coming. Hey Rhonda! Hey! Hey! Hey Rhonda! Yeah. But I wanted to show you the hole. I don't know if you can see it.
Out of nowhere, the storm caught up with us and started snowing fat flakes. It looked incredible. Gray clouds and big fat snowflakes covered the blue skies. It was like a fairy tale. I love it when it is snowing. Do you like it too?
So far, I have 0 luck. I've seen birdies flying around, but I just see them. But I am enjoying this moment. It's snowing It has been snowing for like 45 minutes, and it looks beautiful. It really looks beautiful. And let's go see if Connor had any luck. If I'm not mistaken, Connor and Rhonda are on the shanty. So let's go see. We are on top of Half Moon Lake. On a frozen lake. Oh my gosh. Those words. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm about to start making dolls.
Oh, look at you, Yum!
Yummy, yummy.
Connor prepared a delicious supper on the ice. He surprised me when he said he brought hot dogs. I love Connor. He spoils me and does it all every time we are on our adventures. Rhonda took a nap while we were on the shanty. She's such a good girl. She's a true Wyomingite. Connor said that it is good she was born in the winter. She's getting used to the cold, and she likes hanging out with us.
We forgot the little thingies and we forgot plates. But we're having hot dogs on the ice. Right?
That's right.
Prepared by the chef Connor.
After supper, we went out. Blue skies were back, but the wind showed up. Rhonda and I went exploring. Somebody made something on the ice, and we wanted to check them out.
Somebody made salmons, I think so. We're looking at the snow. Smell good stuff.
Nothing big.
It's alright. That one. Is it coming?
Yeah!
Aw, it's a cute one.
Yeah, he's a huge little monster here. Oh, he's all bloated.
Aw, pretty.
What a lovely time we had. It was perfect for a few hours, and we took advantage of them. We are living our frozen fairy tale.
Hey guys, meantime we are packing, I want to remind you that my winter collection is going to be up till February 21st. So you got till February 21st to get something from winter. What are you waiting for? Bring the heart of Wyoming to your home. What? You did? Why? Yes, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really so hey guys, so we came to Half Moon and Connor caught a baby one. Yay! At least somebody caught something. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media and visit our online store. What are you waiting for?
Buy our stuff.
Bring the heart of Wyoming to your home.